Mathematics, physics, biology, anthropology, Spanish, these are all common majors for college students. But one University of Arkansas couple combines all of these majors. Titus and Shaina met while members of Razorbacks for Christ during Shaina's freshman year. They married 3 years later, giving interdisciplinary studies a whole new meaning.
We've both been really privileged to have the opportunity, in spite of the fact that we're very different majors. She's anthropology, biology, and Spanish, and I'm physics. One of the unique things that my wife and I have both done is study abroad, to get the opportunity to go together.
The Morrises took advantage of being in the university's honors college and traveled abroad in China, Russia, and France. Shaina, a National Merit Fellow, has also traveled to Spain and Costa Rica, where she found the plants that inspired her biology and anthropology research in antifungal medicines.
This kind of research is really important because there are over 350,000 kinds of plants in the world, and only a really tiny fraction of them have actually been looked at for medicinal properties. What I'm doing could show that the certain species of plant has something in it that inhibits fungal growth. And fungal infections are really difficult to treat, whether they're on humans or on agricultural crops. So it's really good to have like a list of possible sources of antifungal agents that somebody could look at later on.
Titus's research took a different path. It involves working with a diamond anvil cell, collecting data which will eventually be sent to theory groups.
My research consists of studying glass-forming liquids with Brillouin spectroscopy. In particular, we study glycerol because it's kind of a typical glass-forming liquid. And this is important because glasses are not very well understood. In particular, my experiment looks at how well it forms a glass with respect to temperature variations and really high pressure variations. Glasses have applications in plastics, lubricants, and polymerization. That's our hope, is to just provide more data so that glass forming can be better understood.
What's next in the Morrises' future?
I've read a little bit about Cambodia and Vietnam, and there's just not a whole lot out there about the medicinal plants of those places, so I thought it would be an interesting area to go and try to do a type of ethnobotanical research there.
After graduation, I do hope to go on and continue a similar kind of research while I'm doing a PhD.
While traveling the world to do their research, the Morrises bring many disciplines under one roof, redefining the term interdisciplinary.